All right, I couldn't find a video on a flip through of these, so whether I done it, I don't know, from last year. Okay, with the pink Christmas kit I brought out last year. Okay, these, I've got 2 of these, and they are going to go on my Ko-fi shop. I'm struggling to get the right postage on journals on my website. It sort of does a blanket like postal service, either to the UK, and you've got to name every country and change the postage. It's quite complicated. So I'm going to put this on my Ko-fi because I know I can just enter how much the postage is, and that's it. So I'm going to do it on there. All right, now this is, yeah, I've got 2 of these available, and you get a stuffed bag with a journal in it, and you also get a few papers to finish the journal off. Okay, so I'll take the journal out. There'll be, I think they've got different things on the front, so this will be Christmas wishes. Let's have a look what the other one says. Is that interest? Joyful wishes. Okay, so it's Christmas wishes and joyful wishes. So that's what they'll be labelled under. Okay. Right, so we'll do the stuffed bag first. Do that after. Okay, so like I said, I've included some pages from the kit, okay, in case you want to, you know, use these in the actual journal itself. Okay. Let's put a pretty one on the front. There we go. There and there. There is a video on me making these, all right, but what there isn't a video on is a flip through. I just couldn't find it anywhere. I might have done it, so well, let's start down here. Okay, so you get journaling cards and everything. I mean, these can be used in the journal, but I've just done and load up. Okay, the other one's very similar, so little envelope there. Okay, it's distressed and everything. Looks quite authentic, actually. Embossed tag. Yeah, and a little dangle on. Another letter. Okay, that opens out. So, another journaling card. I can't even remember what I put in these. So, but it was all from the pink Christmas kit I done. Okay. Right. And then you've got a lovely tassel on here that could be taken off, okay, because it's literally attached. So this could go onto the journal, yeah, but I put it on the front of the bag because the journal was hidden, so I thought it looked nice on the bag, so I just clipped it on. I should do that in a minute, really. I'll do that in a minute. I'll just put that in, make sure everything goes in. Okay. That's the bag. Then the journal, like I said, is not totally finished. The clip can go on here. Okay, which looks not, well, this is finished, sorry, but without the tassel, you know. So I had to keep it quite small because of getting it in the bag. So yeah, lots of little details here, all sorts going on. That, and then I've put some fabric and that in there on a paper clip that you can use through the journal. So I'm just, there we go, it's twisted. Yeah, nice big pocket in here. There's that pocket. No idea what that is. Oh yeah, 2 little tag pockets here, look. Yeah, that's it. Couldn't remember what I'd done there. This is a page. I thought it was stuck together actually. There we go. And that's a big pocket there. Bit of embossed handmade paper. There's sparkles in it. Put some glitter on that one. Pocket here. There we go, and that's that come with the kit. So okay, I've lined it all there. I said it's for you to finish yourself. Yeah, I've just put loads of things in there. Okay, little tickets and that in here. Another little cluster down there. I'm not sure if I lift it up straight that you can see. Yeah, okay. That's very subtle. You can definitely write over these. Okay, little pocket, some tickets in. Okay, so like some of this you would have seen me do. That's like an embossed tag. And that flips out. Big tag in there. Yep. Paper bag's been embossed as well. That's the other side of that. I say quite blank, but great for you to add all your bits and pieces. Yeah. I just put things in. They're not coffee stained or anything like that. So, but you can coffee stain these because they are laser printed. Okay, so it will not run on the front. I mean, yeah, it'll deepen the colour. Of course, it will if you want to do that, but it won't. The print won't bleed. Okay, envelope and another tag there. Another little embellishment there. Another 2 pockets. Okay. And one of my large envelopes where I had a video on this. And these are beautiful. Just wanna it's caught on. How is it? There we are. Quite a tight, come on, tight paper clip there. There we go. Okay, and that's one of the, I mean, to be honest, you could cut that out and that could be quite a nice topper for a journal, a bit wide though. Beautiful envelope, all lined with lace. Then that goes under there, all embossed and everything. Yeah, I had a tutorial on that one, so we could do that. So that comes down the bottom here. Look, might look quite nice. It should be a bit looser now. Yeah, it's better. And there, that's the back. Okay, and both ephemera sets are the same, I think, as far as I know, but I'll go through it anyway. But like I say, those are little snippets because I made quite a lot, didn't I? So get a few of these. 1, 2, 3. And these are quite pretty actually. Okay, 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, and then you get a couple of these. Some of those. Some are inked up. You're lucky if you get... Oh, did I miss those? Oh, I put some plain ones in as well. Actually, you get... I think you might get about 10. I'll count them again in a minute. Bit of lace. And then I put loads of ephemera. And it says nothing is inked up on this, but these are all laser printed. So, I mean, some might need trimming a little bit more. I literally went through what I had and put some things in. So you get quite a bunch here. I think these packs are exactly the same, if I remember rightly. I think I had 2 of each. And then this is from the kit itself. You've got some of those and some, you know, just normal ones. Paper there. Okay. Some more tickets, some more plain ones of those. Some tickets. More of those. Bit of trim. Guest check cards. Oops. Bit of snow paper. This is all sort of speciality papers. Okay. That's doubled over, is it? No. And a bit of lace. Okay, so that's in the ephemera set. I just want to count the snippets. Okay, so there's 7 of these ones. Okay, there's 3 small bits of just plain. Okay, that you can add your own things to. And then there's 2 of those. All right. And I will check, of course, that there's the same in the other one. It should be, because they were all like already. So that is that one. Okay, and this is the other. So that one was called, can't remember. No. Christmas Wishes. This is Joyful Wishes. Okay. And basically they are the sort of same. So that seems to go over that way. But like you say, take that off and you can put it on the journal. All right. So yeah, it's basically near enough the same amount in this one. And one of the envelopes, another little letter here, different from the other one, but it's a letter. And tags might be different too. The embossed tag here is very similar. Yeah, and then there should be some tags in the back. Okay, that's that one. And another tag there. And this is the journal. So very, you know, I tried to do it the same as a bit of embossed paper like the other one. Okay. The pages might be different. Then this is the same. Just put that like that. Here we go. Pocket. One of those. These might differ as well. Oops. There we go. It wasn't glue actually. I don't know what that was. Pocket there. I must have finished them off camera and then just put them straight away. So I think that's what happened. Then some journaling cards, some embossed paper there. So they might be slightly different, the layout. I can't really remember. A bit of journaling card there, and I've put a bit of that net over the top. But it's not stuck down or anything. It's just in there because it looked nice. Envelope. Flip pocket. Let's say nothing's been totally finished. Some have been tea stained, some haven't. All right. Another one of those. Okay. Big envelope. I will link the videos on all the ones that are done making these, so you can see what I've done. Journaling cards there, a little snippet. Okay, and that's 2 pockets here. That's a big envelope. And that one there. Love that lace paper, went really well with that kit. That's a separate kit of mine, I think, or did I put that one in the kit? I can't remember, but if it is, then it goes absolutely beautifully. Yeah, and then that's the large envelope. There we go. Okay. And that sits in there. Oh, that is a belly band, by the way, but I just thought that looked nice over there because I didn't want to cover any of that up. So, I mean, that could go anywhere in the journal. I'm just adding it because I made it to go with the journals. So, okay, that's that. Joyful Wishes, that one. Let's put that one there. Oh, sorry, by my cup of coffee, so I better move that. And then here, everything's the same. I will just count the little snippets. I'm sure I've done it right. So, same amount in both. Okay, just might be slightly different. Okay, so 3 of those plain ones. There should be 7 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that's the 10. Then 2 of these. Yeah, and then that will be all the same. I say some are inked, some are not. A bit of lace, yeah. And then these are basically all the same, but might differ in photographs, but I don't think they do. I think they're journaling card there. I was just using up what I have printed out and some extras that sort of went with it. A bit of lace. And 2 journaling cards. And your bits of speciality sort of paper stuff that went really well with it. A bit of lace there. And it's note paper. Okay, and that is it. So I hope you like those. Like I say, they're going to be for sale on my Ko-fi. The link will be below. I know pink's not everybody's cup of tea for Christmas, but it was quite fun to do because I've never done a pink Christmas kit or even anything resembling pink Christmas. So that was actually quite nice when I done it for a change. So I'm more of a traditional type. So right then, okay, well thank you very much for watching, and I hope you like them. Okay, bye.